What's a subtle sign that someone had a rough childhood? 1. My sister-in-law adopted 3 siblings who are completely self-sustainable at a very young age. When they were visiting, I noticed a lot. If I gave anything to the oldest boy, he would pass it off to the youngest sister. Then I'd give him another and it went to the middle sister. Then I'd give him another and he'd finally keep it for himself. I asked if they wanted water. He said yes, and I asked if the girls wanted water too. Oh, we can all share this one. Obviously I gave them all water, but that one hit me pretty hard. He knew their eating schedules and would nag my sister-in-law, offered to make them mac and cheese or noodles or whatever we have laying around, promised to clean up after. He was 12 years old. When normal kids play video games, they're glued. This kid was constantly checking over his shoulder to make sure everyone was safe, and if he felt one of his sisters was up to no good, he would put the controller down even if it meant dying or losing his progress in the game. To elaborate on up to no good, what the oldest brother considered bad behavior was pretty innocuous.